Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to It's a Party. I'm Nate, and in this episode I wanted to share something that I really love to do for Christmas time because sometimes it gets a little stressful coming up with the Christmas menu. It happens every year. We get worried that we're gonna mess something up. Just have a complete and utter failure of a dinner. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a prime rib that is 1, 2, 3 simple. It is foolproof. You guys are gonna love it because it's so simple and it comes out perfect every single time.
Save the neck for me, Clark.
Okay, Eddie.
The first thing to do is get to our seasoned butter. Now I'm gonna take some softened butter, I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some celery salt, a little bit of ground thyme, and salt and pepper, and mix that up, and we're gonna rub this all over our gorgeous roast. Now we also have some fresh herbs at the bottom of our roasting pan. This is gonna give a really wonderful aromatic flavor to our rib. Now, we have a 6-pound rib roast, and we're gonna rub that baby all over. Every single inch of the surface of this prime rib needs to be rubbed with that flavored seasoned butter. This is gonna give us a really great crust later. Season that with salt and pepper pretty generously because there's no seasoning going on the inside. Now this is going into the oven at 500 degrees. Now we're gonna go at 500 degrees for about 35 minutes or so, and this is gonna give us that amazing crust on the outside while the inside's still gonna be pretty rare. Now we're gonna turn the oven off and keep that door closed and let that sit for 2 hours. That way it can finish cooking, and when you're done, every time it's gonna look just like this. That gorgeous medium rare in the inside, that crispy, wonderful crust. This is one of those, it's kind of an expensive menu item that people get afraid to do because they think they might mess it up, but it's really, really simple. Just follow these steps. The really high heat in the beginning is what gives us that seal of flavor, and then letting it rest in that hot oven is what allows the meat to kind of rest and come down in temperature from 500 down to, you know, lower and lower and lower until it's all finished. But what you really want is that perfect medium rare all the way through, and this is the foolproof way of how to do it. I hope you guys love that video. Be sure to give it a try, and if you do, tag us, take some pics, let us know how well it worked for you. Click the like button, leave us a comment, and have a very Merry Christmas from It's a Party to you guys and your family. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, Gabe, what do you think of that prime rib?
Cool.
Oh, you got a little bit of that too. You got the crust in. How is it?
Good.
Good. How's your prime rib?
Nope.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich when you could have prime rib? Peanut butter and jelly sandwich? What are you, a vegetarian?
Yeah.
Ah!